Hi, my name's Graham Doherty. I'm the Fast Fit Centre Manager for Hurst Fast Fit, Portadown. A few of the services that we provide include visual health check on your car as well as servicing. We carry out brake work as well, including pads, discs and calipers. We can do oil and filter changes. We can service your vehicle. We offer free fit on our bulbs and our wipers to your vehicle. We carry the largest selection of motorcycle tyres in Ireland. We can also service your bike while you wait. We have a large range of commercial, car and agricultural to suit the needs of the farming community. We can also offer alignment check for your vehicle, which helps prevent the wear of your tyres prematurely and also help with the fuel consumption in your car. You can call in and get your battery checked here for free. Is your exhaust blowing out? Is it falling off? We can replace your exhaust. Here we have 180 years experience at Hurst Fast Fit Portadown, and we're committed to delivering main dealer quality at your local independent prices with no appointment necessary.